Let's learn to use different shutdown types of Pichondria. First, let us try the shutdown process. To initiate a shutdown, use the function rec_shutdown. Ensure that acknowledgement is sent if required for the shutdown. Check out the shutdown cron video to see how to set up the shutdown cron job to send acknowledgement and to initiate shutdown in the background automatically. Once the shutdown request is sent to Pichondria, Pichondria will process this request and initiate a shutdown request from its end. The Python script in Raspberry Pi, as discussed in cron job video, will initiate a safe shutdown of the Raspberry Pi. Let's now check how to request for a hard reboot of Pichondria. To request for a reboot, use the function rec_reboot. The Pichondria will safely shut down the Raspberry Pi, as in the shutdown mode. Then it will cut off the power to the Raspberry Pi for a second, and then turn the power back on. Pichondria also comes with a scheduled reboot mode. This lets you shut down the Raspberry Pi safely, and the turn back on after a fixed time in seconds. To use this, first, set up the wake-up timer using the function setWakeUpTimer. The time is in seconds. Then, apply settings to ensure that the changes have taken effect. Once this is done, call the rec_scheduled_reboot function. Pichondria will safely shut down the Raspberry Pi and then wait for the set time in WakeUpTimer, and then turn Raspberry Pi back on. Pichondria has a function to shut down the Raspberry Pi now, and then turn it automatically back on, once the adapter power is restored. Use the function rec_power_restore_shutdown to use this shutdown method. If power is available, the Pichondria will turn Raspberry Pi back on immediately. Else, it will wait for the power to be restored before turning the Raspberry Pi on. These are the 4 types of shutdown methods available in the Pichondria. For any queries, reach out to the community at pichondria.com.